Good morning all of you. Today is day 6 and I'm walking towards the beach early morning, 6:30. Some locals told that early morning you can find some dolphins, so I'm just hopeful to see, and I'll walk at the shore. If I find to see dolphins, I will record them for all of you. Keep watching. Hi everyone again. Talpona Beach. From the beach I started walking towards the left hand side, and I have reached this rocky area. So once you cross this, there is a small island kind of. So I'm told that that place is famous for silent parties. Silent parties are nothing but people will be given headphones and they can play their own music, and there will be no noise outside because everyone is listening to the music themselves. And the party goes all over the night. Currently it is suspended because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but I would love to join such parties. Today again I am planning to see if I can go to this mountain or the hill. That's another island. Waiting for low tide. Let's see if I can see today. And I couldn't find dolphins yet, but I could see many crabs and small fishes. Keep you posted.
खबर ना लका घरदाराचेर पावता ये लका घरदाराचेर नुस्तें देखल जाला वाटेर पाटी घेवन पयलीं कळना आनी कितें करून खावंक जाय भायल्या लोकांक जागा
You can see these fishermen. These fishermen have just returned from fishing, and that's their catch. So people are now distributing all those fishes as per their category. Kingfish in different bucket, crabs different bucket. I saw a snake as well that was being caught. They'll release the snake. It's nice to see.
मैं कल बोल रहा था ना शार्क फिश जैसा ये है वो। हाँ सुनो
ये चाहिए मंगला मेरे भाई
सौ का पाँच हेलो
Hi everyone again. So I am at Galgibagh Beach. So this place is for turtle nesting. So they conserve this place. Lucky to visit here. It's very serene, and I can see it's written Forest Department Turtle Nesting Site, Galgibagh there. So after breakfast I started from my hotel, and the driver, so he is from a fisherman's family, so he invited me to his place for lunch. So we went out in the market and we got some fishes, crabs, so I'm gonna try all of them. And this is the beach. So they're saying that turtles generally come on a full moon day and they lay the eggs here, and as this is conserved and protected, people are taking care of those eggs and they make sure that it hatches. And beach is as beautiful as others, and you can see the red flag here as well. And this side I can see the lifeguard. So this is the beach. So this is Deva Bhai, and this is Shankar Bholenath's tattoo is showing.
बहुत लोगों को पसंद आया वो.
This is very nice. So he's showing the tattoo. Let me see if I can find some turtles. Now we have reached Talpona Beach, South Goa again. Again a serene beach. I can see fishermen there. Fascinating beauty, and I can see a foreigner couple is sitting there enjoying the breeze in the shore. This video is for all of you.